What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have our October 2019 FPV crate from Get FPV. And before we get to the unboxing, just hit that subscribe button and give this video a like, because I cover FPV crate. I also cover quad box along with drone drop. So let's go ahead and do an unboxing and see what we got in this month's box. All right. So we got, let's see here, this is just a thank you thing, tells you what we got. And then we also got a code. Looks like this is one of the coupon codes we got for the month. This is for Brain 3D. Use code 15% off entire order. So if you want to use my code, go ahead. It's Brain Crate 15. And then for some stickers this month, we got some FPV crate stickers. Look cool, nothing interesting. I do like the little astronaut flying the drone. I did like that shirt from last month, so I like these stickers. They're cool. Got some bubble wrap here. Let's take those out. And we'll just do this. Looks like we got some props, hurricane props, some yellow color. These are 5140-66. 3 sets of those. Definitely would use these, because I do like those props. Looks like we got ourselves a Lumineer antenna, MMCX. Cool. We also got ourselves a Turbo Micro F2. It's a camera, isn't it? This must be the harness for the camera. Take a look at it a little bit better. See what it looks like. Is that okay? It's just like a little standard micro camera. Cool. We'll use a camera. And looks like we got also a VTX for the month. We've got the Rush Tank 5.8. Not sure what the milliwatts is on this one. See if I can read it through the package. Can't read it. I'll take it out. See if I can see. I'll cut this open. Move that to the side. Alright, so we got our little VTX here. Smart audio. I heard these VTXs are really awesome. And I think we got one of these VTX in another box before. I just never used it yet. Let's see. It doesn't say the output power, but I want to assume it's at least probably 200 watts. I'm going to assume. 37 channels. So yeah. So that is the what we got. So we got a camera, and we also got the VTX as well, as like a boost item for the month. And then we got the props, the antenna as well. So yeah. So that pretty much does it for the October 2019 FPV crate. Like I said before, if you haven't already, subscribe to my YouTube channel. I did do quad box this past Monday, so if you are looking for the unboxing on that, I'll go ahead and leave a link to that down below. And I am still waiting on the drone drop, so once I get that, I will be posting a video of that as well. So I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you guys in a future video. Peace.